Right guys, I'm rebuilding the pitch. I have no better things to do than rebuild this pitch and wait till Claire gets back, because she's currently away helping a friend. So I'm rebuilding the pitch. I want to rebuild it the way I had it, but I don't think I'll get that because grass is actually being cut. So I'm going to say it's about here where I want, but I'm going to bring it well, right, just tie my lace and my shoe. Right. There is one post in. I'm keeping the line. I'll make them a bit smaller than what I had them. So just give me a second, guys. Can I just put them in line? Yeah, push there. Oh, it's not going in. Never mind. So now we have one set done. We gotta build the other set. Grass has only actually been freshly cut, so it's gonna be easier, like for Rabonas, Panenkas, so on and so forth. I had to get the shot up under the ball. I had to do it, guys, because I thought it was cool. I think it's good. Not many freestylers do it, or football video creators do it. So I thought it was cool to get a shot up under the ball. I'll do it again. Oh, I'm not hitting the camera. You guys alright? Okay, you're alright. Ah, I need to get a rainbow flick. I'm getting closer to rainbow flicks. Not many people can do them. Look, I got the shot I wanted. But we're gonna have to invest in actual cameras and editors and camera people. I might be able to hire someone at my parents' house or my mom's house. This one is swapping the post. This little one is going to go into the ground. Kind of try to keep them in line. The worst thing is, snow's go in. Right. Should probably move them posts up around here. Yeah. I need another post up. Because you get this in the ground. Our post. Why are bamboo sticks so hard to stick in the ground? Can somebody tell me? Pulling this yoke out is going to be so much easier. Haha. It's bigger than my head, but it's still counts as a small stick. Now we got two splits. And stub me toe. I'm gonna get a shot under this ball. I don't know what the shot looked like, but it's gotta be good because when I review the video and then decide to edit myself. Oh, I nearly had it. Oh, I'm actually getting so close. Alright, let's see if I can Rabona this in from here. Wonder how high I can get a Rabona. Okay, wait to find out. Not very high, but it goes far enough. I'm better with this ball. I even pulled my foot. I actually have my foot a bit too high. See them, I might change it. Might change it though, for the continuous football challenge. So, let's go.
What's wrong? Somebody else here?
No, just changing the boots. Ready to continue the challenge? Ready to continue?
Yeah.
I just finished changing the boots. I got the pitch, resetting all.
Hey guys. Oh, where I would get my boots. Let's get them indoor football boots. So I should. Oh,
Sorry?
I should get them indoor football boots. I really need them.
Why do you need indoor boots?
They're like shoes and I can wear them everywhere. Listen, just till you get your boots on and tied.
I'll give him some time. Everything all right here? Quiet as a churchyard if you don't count that fandango. Sounds kind of nice, doesn't it? Must be kind of hard for a man to keep his mind on his job and music like that gets going. Guess it is, if you think about it. Anybody poking around? Not a soul. Say, Hank, give a shot. Wouldn't you? All right, Joe. It's over. I stuck right up top. Yeah. Feeling it, right? I'm taking you and kind of wouldn't have lasted long as possible. I don't figure Ace would have had much.
The numbers might add up. Number 1 doesn't have a unique color. 1 can be blue, red, worst case scenario is you just unsubscribe later. And you're not going to want to do that. Enjoy the video. Oh, we're in. Spawned in a desert. It looks completely normal. I kind of appreciate that. I already see Kane. That's good. I just love that this looks completely normal. We've all been given something very special, okay? It's gorgeous, alright? It means that we can break stuff easily underground and we can breathe permanently. It is a big fat pod. Look at it. It's gorgeous. And cows as well. I'm happy. This is a good start. Easy start. Grab them all. Now, I've explained the scenario. You guys get it. It's going to be weird. I've never played an underwater game of Minecraft at all, actually. Mostly because I'm kind of terrible at swimming. But I'm just hoping it'll be absolutely fine and that I'll just play amazingly. Oh my god. I wasn't supposed to see that. That just looks so intimidating. I'm just wondering how many people are going to drown and not realise they've been given a good helmet. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but Minecraft players aren't the best at noticing things. At least that's just my experience being a Minecraft player. Oh, look at this! Oh no. Okay, we got plenty of cane. I just need a lot of wood and then we're sorted.
Huh?
No, it's not yet.
It's not working.
Please.
I'm going to set the half a week again. Yeah, I heard you. I heard you. Well, you are a turnip. Huh? You are a turnip, Claire. Well, which football were we using last time? Make it there, touches. What a block! Oh, nearly hitting the camera. I got my boots on. I've got more horsepower. Boom! All I need to get is that. Oh, that was an own goal. It doesn't count. No problem. No problemo. I'm sure you were. I'm trying to show off now. Oh, I thought that would work. Panenka time. Ah, that was shut. That was shooter. I wish we had a cameraman. I wish we had a cameraman. Oh, that was a driller. And she scoffed for
I've
fuck.
got camera drones.
No, you don't.
They film everything.
No, you don't.
I do.
You don't.
I do.
Whose account did you use?
Oh, what account did I use? I think I used yours. Actually, I used what's the name of the camera where like boat in it?
I forget if we have to know now what.
It's like,
Oh, we're boating this one.
yeah, this.
So more J Sean 365.
There's an old one.
I don't know.
It was More J Sean and More J Claire. So it was. Fantastic. Right, now I'm the camera person.
Camera girl, but remember who's the camera guy.
Here.
Right, guys, we're back. Oh, what a shot! Oh, I'm too short. One hand save. Try to rub on that. Driller! Oh! Oh yes, a driller from here. Oh, that was a shit one. That was a shit one. I'm behind the line. Oh, go on! Touch my toe. I guess now we just have to use this one.
No.
Well, I'm not going back out. With them. Go to the shed and look for the bag of balls. I tried to jump for the ball. What do I have in the pocket? Stone. Over there, my lucky stone. I'm gonna get bounced on the pothole. Woo! God, I do have some techers on me. Oh, that was shit. That was SH1T. Minnie, give it up! Which ball did you grab, Claire? The small one or the leather one? What's wrong? Granny's gone up here. Just don't hit it so hard, yeah? Yes, Claire, I know. I know. Can I get a retake?
Yeah.
I tried to do something cool. That doesn't count because retake. I tried to land the volley. That's one of them. Right. Bollocks! Bollocks! There's no way I'm actually. What are you planning? Huh? What are you planning? I seen that smile. That's the halfway point. Okay, I thought that would work. But... What a luck. Where could I...
And then it curves where his head wants to go.
Right guys, for now I'm just going to put you there against the post. Right, put the guys against the post.
Okay.
Just don't go for that post.
Shut!
Oh my god!
That's actually gonna hurt me!
I know, I'm sorry. But oh my god! I know the guys didn't see the goal from the angle. But what a save! And what a goal! Whoa, I just dived for the ball. I didn't expect that to happen. I'm just as shocked as I get it. I'm just as shocked as you are, Claire. Look, Claire, don't throw them at me.
Why?
Just don't. Because they make you really itchy, Claire, that's why.
video has been going on for 20 minutes, Sean.
I know. Because this camera stops when I pause it. But what a goal! I mean, like, give me a minute to put the guys back down. I mean, guys, come on. You seen? I didn't try to. Guys, you'll see the ball. You just can't see me. You can hear me though. What a save. I'm Manuel Neuer. Ha. Really? Now I have to go out. Well, I'm not using that other yoke.
The Louise one.
Yeah, it's too late. Guys, if you can hear me, comment Manuel Neuer.
If you don't know how to spell that, if you have an older sibling that loves soccer, ask them.
If you're from Europe, you'll know who he is.
Well, if they're not from Europe,
Then look him up on Google.
and what they're poor and they don't have a phone.
Huh?
If they don't have a phone.
Buy one. Or steal your parents' one.
They'll get grounded for stealing.
Or ask your parents for. Do what you do, Claire.
What?
With daddy's phone. Oh, that's 2 goals. Let's go. What? A broken toenail is what you have.
A sore.
Yeah, but it's broken if it's sore.
My toenails get sore when I hit a football. That's when I died.
On the halfway line. That's what Why do you kick?
Come on!
Why do you kick so hard?
I don't.
Yeah.
If when I'm barely kicking that, I'm hurting my toe.
Well, it looks like we need a new challenge.
Yeah.
We need another new challenge, guys. Alright. Hide and seek, except I have football boots on. And I don't feel like changing.
I feel like I want to play hide and seek.
Yeah. Hyder has the camera.
Just a second, everything.
I know, but this time I'll come first.
Okay.
Mm.
Come on, guys.
I thought in Spanish. No.
30 seconds to hide. We've got 30 seconds to hide. Okay. Come on. Yeah, Sean, I know you saw me.
I glanced at her twice and then I just pretended.
I was trying to whisper to the guys,
Oh!
but I didn't want you to hear me.
Aw.
And
Right, I'm gonna go hide.
okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Where the hell was she going in my boots? I know a spot, I know a spot. Right. We're gonna get up on the freezer and put our back in the fridge. Try not to damage the strawberries. Break my neck. Okay guys, so I'm up. The freezer, sure. She won't look in here. She's gonna check the road first. Don't look her in the house. Shut up, Bull! I think she's gone, guys. Yeah, I think she's gone. We should get, like, when I go to my mum's house this evening. I go to my mum's house every evening because I try to sleep. I don't sleep down here because of how claustrophobic the rooms are. I might move, but when we go to my mum's, I have a bunch of cousins. I asked them, do they want to prepare a hide and seek video? And I'll let you guys decide. Right, so I think we should move spots. So we should. Don't know what that is. Oh my god! How'd she not see me? I don't want to be seen now. Oh, she's giving up. Well, it looks like I win, guys. Heading and header.
Then again, where's your shorts today?
I didn't want it.
I seen you here days and
We never walked, and I literally could not find you.
You walked beside me twice. The shed. Do you know where I was? There's nothing wrong, Granny. I was on top of the freezer. Why did you give up? If you said,
hard to find you.
but if you said, Sean, please come out. I would have come out. Or at least I would have said something. I seen you walk in the door. Because I got down and I was trying to move to the car. Right, do you want to continue? I count.
No. Right, yeah.
I was thinking though first. before. How about when we go home this evening, ask the Kellys, cousins,
Yeah.
if they want to be part of a hide and seek video. Luke might say no. The other two might say yes. And maybe Ryan will join in.
I know the people to ask. Emily and David, because they'll obviously say yes. And Ryan might. And then Luke, I don't know.
Well, if he hears as part of the video, and I'm going to send him on the video. I just tell him that there's an exception, that there's no exception for cursing, you're not allowed to curse.
But you.
No, no one's allowed to curse. We'll make it that fair.
Well, David might break that rule. I'll tell you if he does. I won't say the exact curse word, but I'll tell you if he does.
I know the word you say.
Yeah.
I know. Alright, well, let's continue.
Yeah. Bye. I'm Sean's gonna hide and kids. I gave up on finding Sean, so I just let him come in.
Oh.
Okay, guys. So, Sean's gonna count and get my hide.
Like, I tell the guys something real quick.
Yeah.
Private moment. Right. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take my shirt off and leave out the distraction. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm going to the tower. Make my hiding there. Right, let's go. I'm hiding there. In a minute.
Thanks. Okay. Guys, come on. Gotta go. Okay. What up? Yeah. Kelly's in there. What? Get here. Quick reminder. Sean, I literally said you were somewhere up there. And there's a surprise for you that I asked if you listed in the comments.
Wow.
Did you like X, his music?
Yeah.
I was saying, like, you know in YouTube Shorts how they don't mention people and they'd ask them to comment something nice about them?
Yes, Claire.
That's what I asked them to do about X.
What about X?
And if they don't know, just look them up on Google. Like they don't have to really just ask their parents what about them. I wouldn't even know.
An ice cream with my germs on it. No.
Good point.
Thanks.
I'm just.
Sit down in the basketball, yo.
Okay.
Ready for the plan. Remember the plan, guys. Sure. I'm wearing a work vest underneath. I think I'm talking down here. Right. So I don't know how much of a bicep now, do I? I mean, that's not. Should probably see my phone boots. Yeah. It hurts. It's not hard to miss them. Oh. Oh, that's even worse. Ready? I thought my distraction would work. Look at the passenger door on Daddy's car.
What? Look at the passenger door in Daddy's car.
Just look on the handle. What am I missing?
The t-shirt. I was like to take off my t-shirt, but I'm not allowed.
I didn't ask.
I'll get in trouble.
Yeah, I'll probably get in trouble too, but at least I got a tan.
You're in the shade. How is this not making you thirsty?
What?
The hide and seek in all the games.
You
Alright, I didn't get drink.
can.
That's fine, I can go home and join you.
Nah, I'm gonna mess around with the footballs. Right. I think I got the sneezes, guys. I'm gonna get a few shots of the ball. Worst part is the sun, how bright it is. Why? No, did that trick not work? I wish I had a camera guy. Okay. I want to get a shot in the air. Oh, I can do it every other day. Me. I hire cleaners, mate. Gentlemen from my football videos. Hi guys, comment down below how many kick was that. Alright guys, well, I'll see you later. I've held you up for 40 minutes. That's not bad. See you later.